This crispy rice salad is a standout. It's loaded with veggies, we'll start there, and then drizzled with a fresh and flavorful dressing, and it capitalizes on the crunch factor. Lisa Danielson joining me in the kitchen to share the recipe. Starving, I'm suddenly starving. That bowl is beautiful.
Yeah, this salad is kind of a surprise to most people because here's the deal. The ingredients are really simple, but if veggies have good flavor, people will eat them and they won't complain about eating veggies because they taste so good.
Say it like you mean it. You do.
I know.
You do. Many things to love then about the salad. What do you love the very most?
Well, the crispy rice trend is making its way around social media. Have you ever thought about doing crispy rice?
I just heard about this in our meeting this week, but no, I'd never heard about it prior.
Okay, it's super easy. Basically, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna just cook regular white rice. I used basmati rice. You could do sushi rice. And I do a little bit of chili paste or chili oil. Really, whatever you have will work.
Once it's cooked.
Once it's cooked. You gotta cook it first. And then we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil or avocado oil, really whatever you want. This is like anybody could make this. This is super duper simple. So you're gonna mix it up really, really well, and then you're gonna spread it on a cookie sheet. So it's super simple.
Sprayed it, lined it? No, just...
Yeah, I didn't. No, because you've got oil on the rice.
Okay.
Yeah. So last night or this morning when I made it, I did not even use oil.
Okay.
So you're gonna spread it out in kind of a thin layer, just like this. And then you put it in the oven. That's it.
And it crisps?
Yeah. So you'll put it in the oven. It's at 400.
Okay.
And then you're just gonna cook it for 40 minutes.
Okay.
But the deal is you have to stir it every 10 minutes. That's it. And then guess what happens?
Oh my gosh, look at it. May I just do a little pinch?
Yeah. You can hear that it's just like...
It's crunchy.
It's crunchy. It's got a good flavor. A little bit on the spicy, but not too spicy.
Now, why
this
is a dumb question. Why do I have to cook it first, just to crisp it up?
Well, just because it's not going to be like, you have to cook the rice. Like, it would be uncooked rice, crispy.
Okay, yeah.
I think it would be a little bit different.
But similar texture anyway.
Yeah, similar texture, good flavor. Then we've got our cucumbers, which who doesn't love cucumbers, right? This is where all the veggies really kind of play in. Edamame, you could also use salmon. A lot of people like to use salmon. I'm plant-based, so I use edamame.
Okay.
I'm gonna put some avocado in there because, hello, it's green. Why not?
This is green on green on green.
Yeah, and then we've got some scallions.
This is your salad to watch Wicked.
Yeah, exactly.
After you
and
come
our
home from the
crispy
movie.
rice. So that's our base. Super simple. I did make it without cilantro for my daughter because some people have that gene that it tastes like soap.
Isn't that funny that at first we just thought it was a polarizing opinion, and then it was fairly recently where everyone's like, no, it's genetic. You either like it or you don't.
Yeah. So I even made it without cilantro. You can make it with mint or parsley.
Those smells are hitting me though. Those aromas
would be delicious.
Yummy. Yeah.
So then we just make the dressing. Okay. And dressing is so simple. I bet you have all these things in your house. We've got soy sauce. And then we've got seasoned rice vinegar. Now, you'll definitely want to get the seasoned one because it's a little bit sweeter. Okay. Then we're going to add a little bit of brown sugar. You could also use honey if you want.
Can I lime you?
Yeah. Squeeze a lime. A little bit of garlic. And that is it.
I'm starting to pucker.
I know, right?
The juices are flowing.
And so the nice thing is this salad this dressing goes a really long way. So this is gonna flavor all of these veggies.
Can I take a step back? How would you store the crispy rice if you made a big batch and wanted to use it throughout the week for your mom lunch?
It doesn't last super long, especially if you're gonna wanna make it and serve it right away. Does that make sense? Yeah. So then you're gonna pour your dressing on. I mean,
this feels so fancy. This feels like a restaurant indulgence. Look at all the green, the edamame.
Yeah.
The cucumber.
And then if it's not good enough, because we're gonna put cashews on it.
Oh my gosh, because we're just gonna go for it. This looks amazing.
Yeah, it is really, really good.
And I see where you say people are surprised by the salad, but once you laid out those flavors and stepped out that profile, you can tell just how delicious and savory it will be.
Yeah, and the thing with the rice is it shrinks when you cook it. Okay. So 2 cups of rice, you're gonna be like, wow, this is so much rice. And then when you cook it, it shrinks up.
But it becomes your little crouton, your little mini confetti on top of your very green salad. Lisa, thank you for inspiring us. What are we calling this?
Crispy rice salad.
The crispy rice salad, and you will get many other recipe ideas like this on your Instagram. How can we connect?
Veggie Lisa on Instagram or veggielisa.com.
She makes you want to eat veggies, which is one of the many reasons why we love her. We'll link you over to her Instagram so you can give it a follow from our website. Thank you, sister. Great job.
Yeah,
delicious, delicious.